everyone, it's me, G Bunny here. Well, I'm kind of not called G Bunny anymore because I don't like the name, and I'm probably gonna be changing the account. But yeah, I'm back. I'm sorry for not posting. It's just that it's been really hard making Gmod videos for me, cause this editing software, it's so hard to use, and I just don't enjoy making Gmod videos as I used to. So from now on, well, not from now on, because soon I'm gonna be making videos of new games and maybe some Gmod again, but not as much. And no real players, just probably hide and seek, putback and stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing games like Resident Evil, Detroit Become Human, Hollow Knight, Portal, Stanley Parable, Final Fantasy Freddy's, mostly indie action games and puzzle games like that. Yeah, so that's it. What else am I gonna say? They're not gonna be as good as editing. I need to oh yeah, Resident Evil. As I was saying, I'm not really good at editing. So I hope you don't mind my bad editing. So yeah, if you enjoy that type of content, then feel free to comment to my channel, subscribe, and watch my videos. And sometimes I might be busy doing other stuff in my life, so sometimes I might need to delay videos, but at least I'm posting stuff that I enjoy playing. So yeah, if you enjoy type of games like that, then watch my channel. And I'm not gonna go by G Bunny anymore. I'm gonna be making a new name, new profile, new banner. So yeah, if you have any recommendations for games, feel free to put them in the comments, and I'll add them to my wish list, and I'll get around to playing them. So yeah, hope you have a good day, and bye.